Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to assemble an RC car, and this RC car will be controlled with the help of Bluetooth, and we will be using our mobile phone to control it. All right. So these are the all parts that we need when chassis is required, right? With these uh, attachments, okay. Screws and nuts are required, one motor driver module to control the motors, one microcontroller to process all the inputs and outputs. These are the wheels, and four motors are required with attached wires. Either you can solder them, or you can just trim the wire and just roll with these terminals, okay, if you don't have a soldering iron. And jumper wires are also required, and one screwdriver with Phillips head, okay, to all right. So first, what we will do, we will assemble the chassis, right? So how we will do that?